Hello friends, I'm Ritika and welcome to our YouTube channel Indian Legal and wishing you all a very happy Republic Day 2021। और आप सभी के लिए मैं AIBE का 15th एग्ज़ाम जो अभी 24 जनवरी 2021 को हुआ है उसका सेट डी क्वेश्चन पेपर लेकर के आई हूँ। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, इंडेमनिटी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट इज़ डिफाइंड अंडर आंसर Option A. Question number 2. Peek versus Gournay is famous case related to answer option B. Question number 3. The Supreme Court invoked the principle of the transformative constitutionalism in the case of answer option C. Question number 4. The provisions of Indian Penal Code apply also to any offence committed by answer option D. Question number 5. Under the Patent Act, which of the following are not patentable? Answer option D. Question number 6. World Intellectual Property Organization has replaced pre-existing. Answer option B. Question number 7. Anuradha Bansal versus Union of India on 10 January 2020 relates to a challenge under Article 32 of the Constitution seeking issuance of an appropriate writs. Answer option A. Question number 8. Section 66A of the Information Technology Act was struck down under Article 19 Clause 1 Clause A. Read with Article 19 Clause 2 in the case of answer option D. Question number 9. Articles 145 Clause 3 of the Indian Constitution states that the minimum number of judges who are sit for the purpose of deciding any case involving a substantial question of law as to the interpretation of this constitution or for the purpose of hearing any reference under Article 143 shall be answer option C. Question number 10. MC Mehta versus Union of India 1986 Shri Ram Food and Fertilizers case relates to answer option A. Question number 11. AK Kraipak versus Union of India relates to answer option C. Question number 12. Justicial control of delegated legislation may be exercised on the ground of answer option D. Question number 13. On and from the commencement of the Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005 in a joint Hindu family governed by the Mitakshara law conferring on daughter compulsory status by substituting new section 4 answer option A. Question number 14. Section 5 of Hindu Marriage Act relates to answer option D. Question number 15. A marriage between a girl of 22 years marries her maternal uncle's son of 23 years in accordance with a special marriage act such as answer option D. Question number 16. The principle of res judicata is dealt under section dash of CPC. Answer option C. Question number 17. Section 14 of the CPC deals with answer option B. Question number 18. A residing in Delhi publishes in Kolkata statements defamatory of BB may sue A. Answer option D. Question number 19. Which provision under Criminal Proceeding Code 1973 deals with the procedure to be adopted by the magistrate to be recorded confession and statements? Answer option B. Question number 20. Attachment of property of person absconding can be done under section dash of CRPC. Answer option A. Question number 21. Magistrate may dispense with personal attendance of accused under section dash of CRPC. Answer option C. Question number 22. Section 265A to 265L of the Criminal Proceeding Code deals with the concept of. Answer option D. Question number 23. Security for good behavior from habitual offenders indicted under. Answer option B. Question number 24. Section 105 clause H of CRPC deals. Answer option A. Question number 25. Bar to taking cognizance after lapse of the period of limitation is dealt under. Answer option B. Question number 26. Decree holders means. Answer option A. Question number 27. Voluntarily throwing or attempting to throw acid in an offence public punishable under. Answer option A. Question number 28. A is work at. Question number 28. A is at work with the hatchet. The head flies off and kills a man who is standing by her. If there was no want to proper caution on the part of A, his act is. Answer option C. Question number 29. A, with the intention of causing Z to be convicted of a criminal conspiracy, writes a letter to the imitation of Z's handwriting, purporting to be addressed to an accomplice in such criminal conspiracy, and put the letter in a place which he knows that the officer of the police are likely to search. A has committed an offence under. Answer option D. Question number 30. Under section 70 of the Indian Contract Act, where a person lawfully does anything for another person or delivers anything to him, not intending to do so gratuitously, and such other person enjoys the benefit thereof, the latter is bound to make compensation to the foreigner in respect of, or to restore the thing so done or delivered. This principle is known as. Answer option C. Question number 31. Agreement is. Answer option A. Question number 32. Under the Land Acquisition Act, the expression land includes. Answer option D. Question number 33. Temporary occupation of waste or arable land procedure when differences as to compensation exist is provided under. Answer option C. Question number 34. X, Y and Z jointly promise to pay A an amount of 50,000. Subsequently, X and Y become untraceable. Can A compel Z to pay? Answer option A. Question number 35. Delivery of goods by one person to another for some purpose upon a contract that they shall, when the purpose is accomplished, be returned or disposed of according to the directions of the person delivering them. This process is termed as. Answer option B. Question number 36. Section 14A inserted by the Specific Relief Amendment Act 2018 relates to. Answer option A. Question number 37. In which of the following case of the offence of sedition was in issue? Answer option C. Question number 38. Deliberate and malicious act, intent to outrage religious feeling of any class of insulting its religion or religious beliefs is an offense under answer option B. Question number 39. Under section 29 of CRPC, the Court of Chief Magistrate may pass any sentence authorized by law except answer option D. Question number 40. Provision regarding filing of suits by an alien under the Code of Civil Procedure is dealt under answer option D. Question number 41. An order issued by a court under Civil Procedure Code 19,008 as per order Rule 46 for recovery of amount due to judgment creditor is known as answer option B. Question number 42. Section 88 read with order of the Code of Civil Procedure 19,008 deals with answer option A. Question number 43. The National Consumer Dispute Resolution Commission was constituted in year answer option A. Question number 44. What is the limitation period applicable to the three forum in entertaining of complaint under the Consumer Protection Act 1986? Answer option D. Question number 45. Mere illegality of the strike does not per se spell injustificability. Judge Krishna Lair named the case. Answer. Question number 46. A workman aggrieved by the order of dash may directly make an application to the labor court of the tribunal for adjudication of the dispute, and the court tribunal is empowered to adjudicate such dispute as it had been referred to it by the appropriate government. Answer option B. Question number 47. Vice measure means answer option A. Question number 48. According to the classical doctrine of act of state in law of torts mean answer option A. Question number 49. In torts, all persons who aid or counsel or direct or join in the committal of the wrongful act are known as answer option B. Question number 50. A is accused of waging war against the government of India by taking part of an armed insurrection in which property is destroyed, troops are attacked, and goals are broken open. The occurrence of this fact is relevant as forming part of journal transaction, though may not have been present at all of them. Under which section of India Evidence Act? Answer option B. Question number 51. Section 110 of the Evidence Act deals with answer option C. Question number 52. Section 113 Clause A of the Evidence Act deals with answer option D. Question number 53. The Supreme Court has legalized living wills and passive euthanasia subject to certain condition in the case of answer option A. Question number 54. Article 310 of the Constitution mentions about answer option A. Question number 55. Right to know the antecedents of the candidates is in the election flow forms answer option A. Question number 56. In the preamble of the Indian Constitution, the expression liberty is followed by the words answer option B. Question number 57. The plea bargaining is applicable only in respect those offences for which punishment is imprisonment is up to a period of answer option A. Question number 58. From a plain reading section of 195 CRPC, it is manifest that is comes quote intent to take cognizance of an offence under section 190 clause 1 CRPC, and it has nothing to do with the statutory power of the police investigation into an FIR which discloses a cognizable offence. In other words, the statutory power of the police to investigate under the code is not in any way controlled or circumscribed by section 195 CRPC. This was held by the Supreme Court in the case of answer option A. Question number 59. The question is whether A owes B rupees 10,000. Which of the following statements are relevant under Evidence Act? Answer option D. Question number 60. So much of such information, whether it is amount to a confession or not, as relates distinctly to the fact thereby discovered by the police, may be proved under answer option C. Question number 61. When the court has to form an opinion upon a point of foreign law or science or art, or as the identify of handwriting or finger impressions, the opinion upon that point of the persons especially skilled in such foreign law, science or art, or in the question as to the identify of handwriting or finger impression are relevant fact. This is under dash of the Evidence Act. Answer option B. Question number 62. A intentionally and falsely leads to B. B to believe that certain land belongs to A and thereby induces B to buy and pay for it. The land afterwards becomes the property of A, and A seeks to set aside the sale on the ground that at the time of the sale he had no title. He will not to be allowed to prove his want to title. Which section of the Evidence Act is applicable? Answer option C. Question number 63. The Arbitration Act 1996 repeals. Answer option D. Question number 64. Parliament may by law establish administrative tribunals under dash of the Constitution. Answer option B. Question number 65. The Bar Council of the India has to lay down the standards of the professional conduct and etiquette for the advocates under answer option B. Question number 66. According to the section 49 of the Advocate Act of the 1961, the Bar Council of India has power to make rules. Answer option D. Question number 67. India, that is Bharat, shall be a answer option C. Question number 68. In MC Mehta versus Union of India AIR 1987 SC 1086 Shri Ram Fertilizers case, the court held that answer option A. Question number 69. According to the Environmental Protection Act 1986, environmental pollutants means answer option C. Question number 70. National Green Tribunal cannot exercise its jurisdiction with reference to answer option D. Question number 71. An attempt to acquire sensitive information such as users' name, passwords, and credit cards details, and sometimes indirectly money, by masquerading as a trustworthy entity in an electronic communication is known as Answer option C. Question number 72. Under section 82 of the Indian Penal Code, nothing is an offence which is done by a child under the age of. Answer option B. Question number 73. R.V. Dudley and Stephen stand for the principles that. Answer option A. Question number 74. The utility of public interest litigation. Answer option D. Question number 75. The petitioners, a professor of political science who had done substantial research and deeply interested in ensuring proper implementation of the constitutional provisions, challenged the practice followed by the state of Bihar in promulgating a number of ordinances without getting the approval of the legislature. The court held that the petition as a number of members has sufficient interest to maintain a petition under Article 32. This relates to the case of. Answer option B. Question number 76. Where a legal wrong or a legal injury is caused to a person or to a determined class of person by reason of violation of any constitutional or legal rights, or any burden is imposed in contravention of constitutional or provisional or without authority of law, or any such legal wrong and legal injury or illegal burden is threatened, and such person of determined class of persons by reasons of poverty, helplessness, or disability, or socially or economically disadvantaged position, unable to approach the court for relief. Any member of public can maintain an application for an appropriate direction, order, or writ in the High Court under Article 226, and in case any breach of fundamental rights of such persons or determinants class of person in this court under Article 32, seeking justicial redress for the legal wrong or legal injury caused such person determinate class of persons, Justic Bhagwati in the case of. Answer option A. Question number 77. Imposition of compensatory cost in respect of false or fictitious claim or defense is dealt under. Answer option B. Question number 78. Which of the provision under the Code of Civil Procedure Code deals with the substituted service or summons upon to the defendant? Answer option C. Question number 79. Among other things, the function of Bar Council of India includes laying down standard of professional conduct or etiquette for advocates under which of the section Advocates Act? Answer option A. Question number 80. According to the Justice Abbott Perry, what is the 7 lamps of advocacy? Answer option B. Question number 81. Minimum number of directors in a public number. Answer public company. Answer option A. Question number 82. An associate company in relation to another company means. Answer option B. Question number 83. Section 66A of Information Technology Act was held unconstitutional in the case of. Answer option C. Question number 84. A teacher is not a workman within the purview of Industrial Disputes Act held in the case of? Answer option C. Question number 85. According to the Factories Act? Answer option B. Question number 86. According to the Income Tax Act, zero coupon bond means a bond. Answer option D. Question number 87. Provisions relating to GST and inserted in the Constitution by? Answer option A. Question number 88. Suits by indigent person is dealt under? Answer option B. Question number 89. Regesti relevancy of the fact forming part of the sum transaction is dealt under? Answer option A. Question number 90. The definition of money under GST law does not include? Answer option B. Question number 91. Under Article 279A, GST Council is constituted by? Answer option C. Question number 92. The definition of contract is defined under? Answer option B. Question number 93. The Hindu Succession Amendment Act clause HSAA 2005 provides for women? Answer option A. Question number 94. Section 25 of the Hindu Marriage Act provides for? Answer option B. Question number 95. A Hindu wife has been living with her children and all the children have been brought up by her without any assistance and help from the husband many years. The wife was entitled to separate residence and maintenance under? Answer option C. Question number 96. Requisites of a valid adoption. No adoption shall be valid unless? Option A. Person adopting has the capacity and also the right to take in adoption. Option B. The person giving the adoption has the capacity to do so. Option C. The person adopted incapable of being taken in adoption. And option 4. The adoption is made to the compliance with the other condition mentioned in this chapter mentioned under? Answer option A. Question number 97. According to the Muslim Women Protection of Rights and Marriage Act 2019, any pronouncement of talaq as defined under the act by a Muslim husband upon his wife by words either spoken or written or in electronic form or in any other manner whatsoever shall be? Answer option D. Question number 98. The Universal Model Law and Rules does not become part of the Arbitration Act so as to become an aid to construe the provisions of the Act held in the case of? Answer option D. Question number 99. According to the Section 7 Clause 4 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act, an arbitral agreement is in writing if it is contained in? Answer option D. Question number 100. Waiver of rights of object divines from arbitration agreement in mentioned under dash of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act? आंसर ऑप्शन बी। और दोस्तों मेरा गला थोड़ा ख़राब है, इस वजह से आपको अगर कोई दिक्कत हुई हो तो उसके लिए मैं आप दिल से सॉरी बोलना चाहती हूँ। और अगर आपको ऐसी ही वीडियोस देखनी है AIB से रिलेटेड और लीगल से रिलेटेड तो प्लीज़ हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, बेल आइकन दबाइए और लाइक कीजिए, कमेंट कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए ताकि आपको सारी नोटिफिकेशंस जल्दी से जल्दी मिलती रहे। थैंक यू और सॉरी अगर आपको मेरा थोड़ा सा भी कुछ गलत लगा हो तो मेरा गला बहुत ख़राब है।